I push a button on my camera, my mistake. So make it a little richer, and then start side up, and then get a little leaner, throttle up, a little leaner, As you see, I have some carburetor issues with the machine, but it manages to function, work well. Just need to play with it a little bit, but you get it going. It doesn't take that much longer than a normal snowblower, and for a price I'm selling it for, probably $160, $170. It's worth it for somebody to just get the snowblower over getting a similar one for $250 that's in good working condition. And there isn't too much rust on it. And it's all greased up inside, everything's greasy and it's worked. Anyways, there'll be some on Kijiji soon, so look up for the ad. And if you want to make any more YouTube videos, just comment below.